of Palmetto Bay Road. These are, gosh, this has a special type of wood, so, and it's pretty strong. I don't know if these are crepe myrtles or not. I'm not really sure, but we lost so many trees on this side of the road and on the other side, and I'm glad these in the middle survived. Oh Lord, as I almost fall off the median area. But I never anticipated being a witness to so many trees being collapsed to the ground in such a short a time. And it all hit on Friday, just a week ago. Alright guys, well, we're signing off live with another tree down. It's Karen Martz. Have a great day.